Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe are the best beer freezer glasses on the market, the Host Freeze beer glasses. If you're someone who enjoys a perfectly chilled beer without the hassle of watering it down with ice, then these glasses might just be your new best friend. The magic behind these glasses lies in their innovative design. They feature insulated walls filled with a proprietary cooling gel. Simply pop them in the freezer for about 2 hours, and the gel inside chills the glass to keep your beer cold for hours, maintaining an ideal drinking temperature between 43 and 53 degrees Fahrenheit. This means no more warm beer or constantly having to reach for the fridge. Beyond just cooling, the design focuses on comfort and practicality. The glasses are made of BPA-free plastic, which makes them sturdy yet lightweight. They include a silicone grip band at the base, offering a comfortable, no-slip hold even when your hands are wet. This feature is especially useful for outdoor settings like barbecues, tailgates, or just relaxing in the sun. With a capacity of 16 ounces, these freezable pint glasses are perfect for all kinds of beers, from crisp lagers and pilsners to rich stouts and porters. But don't let the name fool you. These glasses aren't just for beer. They work great for chilling cocktails, iced coffee, cold brew, and even refreshing ice cream shakes. The glasses come in a sleek gray color, adding a modern and stylish touch to your drinkware collection. They are reusable and easy to maintain with simple hand washing recommended to keep the gel and silicone band in top condition. One of the standout points about the Host Freeze beer glasses is that they prevent the common issue of frozen fingers thanks to the insulated silicone grip. This thoughtful design allows you to enjoy your drink comfortably without the cold transferring to your hand. Overall, these glasses are an excellent addition to any home bar or kitchen, especially if you value a consistently cold beverage without dilution. Whether you're looking for a practical gift for Father's Day, a birthday, or just want to upgrade your own drinkware, the Host Freeze beer glasses offer a unique combination of style, functionality, and innovation. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to keep your beers perfectly chilled and elevate your drinking experience, these glasses are definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews and critiques. Cheers!